Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So today's video is a little different than usual. In this video we are not going to cover any phone, but rather, as you saw in the title, we decided to make a video on Windows 11 and to make your overall experience better. But before we begin, it's always better to take a backup in case if anything goes wrong. With that said, let's not wait anymore and get started. First up, let's start with making your taskbar better. As you are aware, in previous iteration of Windows, we could easily drag and drop anything using taskbar. Well, that's not possible in Windows 11, or it wasn't until now. A developer going by this pseudonym made a very portable solution called Windows 11 drag and drop to the taskbar. All you have to do is download and run it. To download, we simply have to click on download binary, which takes us to this page where we download Windows 11 drag and drop to taskbarfix.exe. Yeah, it's a long name. Once you run it, it will appear here. That means it's running in the background. If you want to make any changes, you can do that from here, as well as you can exit from the app if you don't need it. Let me show you some of the configurations that are available. Once it's up and running, you can drag and drop anything you like. It's that simple. Now, did you notice something different? Yes, the context menu. I don't have the Windows 11 context menu, which takes extra steps to perform even the simple tasks. Now, for you to get this simple menu, you need an app called Win Arrow Tweaker. As you can see, it gives your system information, the recent changes you have made using the app. Apparently, I have made 4 changes, but the one that we are looking for is the classic full context menu. You can read the description to know what it does and click on the blank box to get the check mark. Mine is already enabled. You can do a lot of things with this app, like literally lots of useful stuff, but be sure to make a backup just in case. Let me show you another one. I will add the Restart Explorer option to context menu, and as you can see, it's that simple. So yeah, go have fun. Next up, we have an app to customize the taskbar. Make it like a floating taskbar. For this, install RoundedTB from Microsoft Store. You can customize it the way you like, and that's the whole thing. I don't have to explain it to you, it's very simple. Next up, we have a very useful thing for you. You know how in previous Windows we could search for anything and then right click, open file location if you want to access the file without needing to open it? Well, you can do that in Windows 11 as well, but it's a little bit different. The basic options here are open and copy path. Well, neither are viable. At the very least, you can use copy path and then delete the name. It's a lengthy process, but that's what I used to do until I came to know of the third option, and it's right in front of you. The location. You can click on it and go directly where it's located. Microsoft got sneaky here. Really, why would they do something like that is just beyond me, but that's that. So the last one for this video is the way to disable widgets. Now some of you use it and some don't. I for one don't use it, and this is how I removed it. Actually, I cannot show you the complete process as I have already removed widgets and don't know how to reinstall it so that I could show you the process, but it's very easy, a single line of command. Just paste it and press enter and it's done. Since I have already uninstalled it, there is no package to uninstall. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.